Welcome to the Sykes & Company PA video blog featuring Scotty Sykes.
What are the dangers of using your bank account as your accounting system?
A lot of pharmacies today in the past have used their bank account as their accounting system because margins were so good. I mean, they just looked at their bank account and could manage their business that way. Well, nowadays with margins as they are and the industry as it is, you have to have more in-depth information when analyzing your business. You can't just look at your bank account anymore. The reason being is because your pharmacy should be on an accrual basis of accounting. The bank account is just cash basis, what's coming in, what's going out. So you're not seeing any of your receivables, any of your other assets. So if you look at that balance sheet, you're going to see some other assets, your inventory, your receivables. In those numbers is cash tied up in your business. So you're not getting the full picture of what's going on in your pharmacy. Furthermore, if you are growing your business, that's going to put damper on your cash most likely. So you could be doing great as far as growing your pharmacy and inventories where it needs to be or whatnot, but you're not getting the full picture by just looking at your bank account. So although it is an important piece, it cannot be relied on alone like you could in years past. So if that's your accounting system, you certainly have some upgrading to do.
And if I'm one of those pharmacy owners who's used to just looking at the bank and saying, hey, there's money, we're good, are there a couple of specific things you can tell me that I'm missing out on?
It can be misleading because you have other liabilities that you need to be aware of, such as your payables, payroll. So you may have $100,000 in the bank today, but tomorrow your wholesaler is going to be drafting. So, you literally have to keep up with cash flow and how it's going to impact future payables and liabilities are going to impact that number. So you really need to take a good look at the full balance sheet to get a good picture of your current situation. The balance sheet is a snapshot in time. So reviewing that balance sheet at the end of each month, making sure everything's tied in, reconciled, gives you that picture you need to know to analyze your business and analyze how your pharmacy is performing. Furthermore, you can look at your ratios, specifically the current ratio. Reviewing that ratio, you can get a good sense of your current cash needs. It's current assets divided by current liabilities. So it gives you a good idea of your cash position and how you are as far as liquidity is concerned, which is very important for a pharmacy. So that's something I would pay attention to. But again, having those integrity in your balance sheet is very critical to having a good current ratio and understanding what that figure is telling you. That's very important and something we strive to do every month for our pharmacies.
Thank you for joining us today. If you want more information or have any questions, please feel free to contact Scotty directly.